welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in today's recipe. I'll be showing you how to make chicken livers. Chicken livers are inexpensive and they are a really good source of nutrients, and they are so easy to prepare. If you want to see how I make these delicious chicken livers, please stay tuned and see how we make them. So here in this bowl, I've got 1 kilo of chicken livers, and I'm going to show you how to clean your liver first before you start cooking them. So you know, liver usually come with some connective tissue and excess fat. So we are going to remove this connective tissue and the fat from it. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to use a scissors, then cut off these whitish parts which they are not needed. You can also look out for that greenish part, which is the bile, so you don't bite into it because it's really bitter. Once I'm done trimming off excess fat from the liver, I'm just going to go ahead and cut these into 2 or 3. I prefer to use a scissor to cut or trim my liver because they are very delicate. So once I'm done, I'm just going to shift this aside and then continue trimming the rest of the chicken livers. So we are now done trimming our livers. You can discard this part, you don't need this. The next thing we are going to do is to rinse them off. All you just need to do is to add some vinegar or lemon juice to it. And just rinse this off severally until the water runs clean. Once you are done rinsing your livers, you can leave them to sit in a colander to drain out excess water. Next, we are going to season the liver. I'm going to go in with 1 small grated ginger, 3 minced garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of ground allspice, stock cubes. I'm using 2 because I'm making a lot of chicken liver here. Half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going in with a teaspoon of browning for a little bit of color. And lastly, I'll be going in with some chopped scallion and 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. So I'm just going to remove the thyme from the stick and just add only the leaves. Once you are done adding all your seasonings, you can now mix these to combine. Once our chicken livers are nice and well combined, if you have time, you can just leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. Or you can simply cook this straight away. Now we are going to stir fry our chicken liver. All you just need to do is to place a large pan on the stove top. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to it. Once the oil is heated, go in with 1 small chopped onion. So you're going to saute the onion for about 2 minutes. And once it's translucent, you can now go in with the marinated livers. So you have to make sure your heat is high enough to brown the livers on both sides. If your heat is too low, your livers are going to be steamed and not fried. After cooking your liver on one side for 3 minutes, you can use a wooden spatula to just turn them over. So you make sure you're gentle with this, otherwise you crush all the livers. So once you notice the livers popping, because they can pop up easily, you can reduce your heat a little bit and continue cooking. And once the popping has stopped, you can increase the heat again. This is to make sure you don't allow the oil to splatter on your face. So after cooking your chicken liver for about 8 minutes, we are going to start adding other ingredients to it. I'm just going to go in with a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can as well use tomato paste, but I choose to go with tomato ketchup. The ketchup will add a beautiful red color to the livers. I'm just going to stir this a little bit to combine. Now I'll go in with 1 fresh diced tomatoes. If you notice from the beginning, I didn't add pepper to my liver while marinating because I had the intention of adding red chili to it. This is really spicy, so I'm going in with 1 sliced red chili pepper and 1 small scotch bonnet pepper, which I've just sliced. If you like, you can go in with more sprigs of thyme. So I just love the flavor of thyme, so I'm just adding that to it. I'm also adding in some green bell peppers. Now let's stir this to combine. You have to be very gentle with this while stirring. Now we're going to reduce our heat to medium and place a lid over and allow the liver to cook for about 4 minutes. So at the end of the 4 minutes, your chicken livers should have been fully cooked and they are firm. Okay, you can test for salt and pepper and adjust any other ingredients to your taste. Now we are just going to garnish this with some spring onions and some onion rings as well. Once you're done, just stir this again and cook for just a minute. Once you are happy with the taste of your chicken livers, you can turn off the heat and it's ready. So guys, here is your chicken liver. It's ready. This is an incredible chicken liver recipe that will definitely go as a side dish to many foods such as fried dumplings, boiled rice, spaghetti, and mashed potatoes. I hope you like this chicken liver recipe. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends. And also, please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed already. And remember to click on the bell button so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, I love to see you soon. Bye.